Hi, I'm Muskan Ahuja, co-founder and the creative director of Thoda Drama. Thoda Drama is a clothing label for all the women who love drama in their life. Have you ever wondered why the clothes in our store look so flawless? The crisp collar of the shirt, the fall of our sari, the perfect creaseless finish of a kurti. In our store, the finish matters, but so does the fabric's life. And that's why we've moved to something which is more effective and fabric safe. And let me tell you, the Hamilton Beach Stan Garment Steamer has changed my life. From America's #1 brand in small kitchen and home appliances, this was just not a tool. It's my savior. We're always short on time. Photo shoots, exhibitions, fittings. But this is ready in 20 seconds. By the time I've hung the second outfit, my steamer is ready to go. And that steam power? 45 grams per minute. Can you even believe it? Strong enough to smooth out even the toughest crease in just one go. My team and I use it on a regular basis on everything, be it cotton, organza, chiffon, heavy lehengas. No crease, flawless finish. With its 1.8 liters of water tank, I get up to 3 hours of non-stop steaming, which means no interruptions, no refill breaks, so I'm able to iron my entire store in just one refill. What I love the most about this is the height adjustment with an inbuilt ironing board. The ironing board gives me complete control to angle it my way, whether it's 45 degrees, 90 degrees or 180 degrees, however I wish to. Whether it's a heavy lehenga or a delicate blouse, we can position it just right. No awkward bending, no budhape ka peet dard, just smooth and stress-free ironing. The 6 levels of steam is a blessing. I give each outfit the care it deserves. And you know what? It's ultralight too. Shifting is easy, right from my trial rooms to my racks. And if that wasn't enough, it comes with a heat protection glove and an ironing brush. In a hard water area like mine, mineral buildup is a serious problem. But the anti-calc system is a total savior which keeps the steam strong and extends the steamer's life, especially when you're using it on a daily basis. For the busy person that I am, I don't have to remember to shut it off. Thankfully, it has an auto shut-off feature, which gives me great peace of mind. With this one device, I have replaced my regular handheld steamers and the old irons. With a 2-year warranty, I know I've made a smart investment. In my store, every detail matters. And thanks to Hamilton Beach Stan Garment Steamer, every outfit leaves the store as premium as it was meant to be, because perfection is never by accident, it's by choice.